There is an old saying, darkness cannot be chased away, it must be replaced by light. Negative energies work the same way. They don't disappear by force, they dissolve when we replace them with something greater. But how do we do that? Today, I will share with you the wisdom that has guided me on this journey of inner peace. Come, walk with me. Negative energy is like dust settling on the soul. It comes from unresolved emotions, toxic relationships, unhealthy habits, or even the unseen energies of the places we visit. But just as dust can be cleaned, negative energy too can be removed. The first step is awareness. Most people walk through life carrying invisible burdens they never realize are weighing them down. You must ask yourself, where does my energy leak? What drains me? Who or what makes my spirit feel heavy? Let me tell you a story. There was once a man who lived in a village, always complaining that his house felt dark and heavy, no matter how many lamps he lit. One day, a wise sage visited him and said, "You do not need more light. You need to open the windows." The man was confused until he realized his house was full of clutter, old things holding stagnant energy. He removed them, and suddenly, fresh air and light flowed freely. This is how our mind works too. When we hold on to grudges, fear, self-doubt, and regret, they create shadows within us. To remove negative energy, we must first remove these blockages. How? Through 5 sacred practices. First, purification. Water cleanses the body, but the mind needs cleansing too. Meditation, mindful breathing, and silence help wash away the noise of the world. Even a simple practice of deep breathing for a few minutes daily can clear stagnant energy. You may also take a ritual bath with salt water or simply stand under the rain, letting nature's water cleanse your spirit. Second, environment. Just as a fire needs air to burn, our energy is shaped by our surroundings. Keep your space clean. Let go of things that carry heavy memories. Spend time in nature. Walk barefoot. Let the earth absorb your worries. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, not drain you. Even the objects we keep hold energy. Ask yourself, does this item bring me peace, or does it hold me to the past? Third, intention. Every thought you hold, every word you speak, and every action you take is an energy exchange. If you fill your heart with gratitude, kindness, and purpose, negativity has no space to exist. Remember, where your attention goes, energy flows. Before you sleep each night, think of 3 things you are grateful for. This simple act shifts your energy. Fourth, fire. Fire is the ultimate purifier. In many ancient traditions, people burn old things to symbolically release attachments. You can do the same. Write down your fears, resentments, or bad memories on a piece of paper and burn it with the intention of letting them go. Watch how the flames consume the past, making space for new light. Fifth, stillness. The mind is like water. When agitated, it is cloudy, but when still, it reflects the truth. Silence is the most powerful way to reset your energy. Try sitting in stillness for a few minutes each day, without distractions. Just observe your thoughts, and soon you will notice negativity loses its grip on you. One last thing. The world will always have negativity, but you don't have to carry it. Just like a lotus rises untouched above muddy waters, you too can rise. Replace fear with faith, replace doubt with self-belief, and replace anger with understanding. If this wisdom touched your heart, share it with someone who might need it. And remember, you have the power to bring light wherever you go. Until next time, stay mindful, stay free,